I would like to warmly welcome members of ICSES to this meeting. As some of you are probably aware, 2 national commissioners were sworn in this afternoon by the President. Let me therefore welcome to the Commission and introduce to ICSES Kulle Kone Ajayi, a professor of political science at the Ekiti State University, and Muhammad Sani Kalla, a retired professor of ecology and range management at the Ahmadu Bello University, Zaria, as the new national commissioners representing the southwest and the northwest geopolitical zones, respectively. May I invite the 2 new national commissioners, Professor Cornelius Ajayi and Professor Sani Kalla, to please stand up for recognition. This is your very first meeting. As the new national commissioners can see, work in INEC begins in earnest. You have joined the commission on the eve of a major election, and your first activity is this ICSES meeting. Next week, we will move to the field in Anambra State. Once again, you are welcome to INEC. Members of ICSES may recall that 3 weeks ago, we held an emergency meeting to review the preparations for the Anambra governorship elections. Since then, so much has been achieved, and our preparations for the election have been going on unhindered. However, it is the tradition of ICSES to review preparations on the eve of every major off-season election, like governorship elections, where the resident electoral commissioner and the commissioner of police of the state come to brief us on electoral and security preparations as a routine pre-election activity. It is therefore my pleasure to also welcome the resident electoral commissioner for Anambra State, Dr. Nkwachukwu Oji, and the Commissioner of Police for Anambra State, Echeng E. Echeng, to this meeting. The 2021 Anambra governorship election is holding in the next 12 days on 6 November 2021. Our deployment of non-sensitive materials and training of personnel for the election have virtually been concluded. The Commission has successfully accomplished 12 out of 14 activities listed in the timetable and schedule of activities for the election released in January this year. The 2 outstanding activities are the last day of campaign at midnight on Thursday, 4th November 2021, and Election Day, which remains Saturday, 6th November 2021. The REC for Anambra State is here to fully provide an update on the implementation of other activities and INEC's general state of readiness for the election. INEC is determined to proceed with the Anambra State governorship election as scheduled. The safety and protection of voters, our personnel, accredited observers, the media, and materials are cardinal considerations in any election. We have been assured by the security agencies of a secure environment for the election. I'm sure the CP Anambra State in his briefing will provide more details regarding preparations on the ground. I wish to place on record the continued support of security agencies to the Commission during elections. Particularly noteworthy is the high level of professional conduct of the agencies in the last 2 major elections in Edo and Ondo states. Indeed, Edo and Ondo have become the standard for securing elections in Nigeria. The professionalism and neutrality exhibited by the security agencies in the 2 elections have been widely praised nationally and internationally. We are confident that this will be replicated in Anambra State. I wish to register our profound gratitude for the support we have received from religious, traditional, and community leaders for peaceful elections. The Commission is also working with the National Peace Committee under the leadership of our respected former head of state, General Abdulsalami Abubakar GCFR, to bring all political parties and candidates for the Anambra State governorship elections to commit to peace before, during, and after the elections. We appreciate this wide-ranging support, and I wish to reassure the registered voters in Anambra State that the choice of the next governor lies in their hands. I urge all and sundry to play their part in ensuring free, fair, credible, and peaceful governorship election in Anambra State. On this note, I want to thank you all and God bless.